I'm not gonna sit here and tell you life is gonna be Ron Howard happy days every day. It's not gonna be that way.
Yes.
Matter of fact, it's probably gonna be the opposite.
For the purpose.
You see,
What
the enemy
purpose, you ask?
is gonna throw everything he has in his toolbox at you.
Goes to something where they don't got any inspiration or motivation or anything like that. Or they just need a good old speech. So like Sons of Anarchy.
Now he can't stop you himself. But his objective is to get you
institutions. They break your spirit and take pleasure in watching you.
So I don't know if I'll continue or not doing the series. Don't know if it does good. I'll continue. I probably still will anyway. But don't know the name. But every Monday, I'm gonna try every Monday to have a motivational thing. And today is family. What is family? Honestly, what is it? It's not just a word, and it's not a feeling. It's not even just blood. We don't know what family is, but what we do know.
I wish I could.
What family is.
I don't like saying, oh fuck, I was in that situation, what could I have done better? I'm gonna do what the fuck I want when I want, because I'm gonna do what
family
I could have.
can be people you feel close with, or anything like that. But the true question is, are they actually family? And that is where you have to think. Do these people want me to succeed? Do these people want me to fail? What is it? That's the true question. See, some people don't have any family. And some have a lot. Some have enough. And some just don't at all. You see, everyone is born into this world, yeah, correct. However, not everyone does the same thing. Along the way, you can choose to do something different, and you can follow people. Now you see how this goes about family. It's families fight. Oh fuck yeah. But if they actually are your family, they'll help you and stick through till the end. Now you see, if those said family do stuff that holds you back, you, me, anyone, they're not family, and that hurts. I know it hurts. Trust me. You see, people call each other family, even if they're just good friends. That's because somewhere along that friendship, the bond became family. Because you guys just care and know and understand one another so well that they became your family. You know, even if they're blood, sometimes they can't be trusted. Sometimes shit can happen and blow, you know, a family apart for a bit. But if they're truly your family, you'll become family again. And luckily, I have half that. Sometimes you can say family, and the same thing can happen in reverse. See what I mean by that? Sometimes friends become family, sometimes family become friends. If ever you feel down, or like something you've done defines you, just remember, it doesn't define you. Repetitive actions define you. And if someone is mad, sad, or just feeling pain, that pain, whether it be physical or inside or even mental, that gets reflected onto another person. And if that happens, we just gotta sometimes stop, sit, and talk to them. That's all. Don't need to do anything big. Just talk. Bottling shit up is a destroyer. When someone bottles something up, what they're doing, all what they're doing is you're in a balloon, okay? Think you're in a balloon. And you're there, you know. And as you grow, the balloon gets bigger and bigger, okay? But eventually that balloon stops. And you're in there. And what you're doing is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And eventually what's gonna happen is that balloon's gonna bust. And when that happens, what do you think happens to others around? Okay, so imagine that. But imagine if there was something that could have stopped it. Say, something like, yo, dude, let's talk. When I talk about this, I'm talking for everyone. We all must stand united as family one. Even if there's something that a family member would hurt you with, they would have the integrity to tell it how it is, no matter what. If someone hits someone with death, even if it's hurt them, and they don't know,